Lost in the altitude, off-grid, sun-fed, solar panels humming where the vultures is bred. Military grade strap, watch click on the wrist, searching for the ghost in the machine in the mist.
Quick disclosure. This entire show is built by AI, the research, the voice, the visuals, all of it. I'm not hiding behind it, I'm proving what's possible with it. That's the show, now let's get to work. 29 million developers installed Claude Code this month. Microsoft's response was not to compete, it was to integrate. Dutch just pulled the adoption curves, and they cross in a place that changes everything. Let's get into it. Claude Code launched in May 2025. By early 2026, 17 million daily VS Code installs. This month, 29 million. That's not linear growth. That's a hockey stick. And here's the number that matters more than installs. 46% of developers rated Claude Code as most loved. Copilot got 9%. 9. Dutch, show them why that gap exists. It's not about autocomplete versus reasoning. It's about what happens when you give a tool access to your entire repository. Claude Code reads your code base. It edits files. It runs commands. It understands architecture, not just the line you're typing. Copilot is fast inline completion. Claude Code is your senior engineer who actually reads the pull request before reviewing it. Developers aren't switching tools. They're switching expectations.
Searching for the ghost and is a lie in the mist. In the mist, my AI assistant is a liar in code, giving up hallucinations heavy on the road. API keys trying to unlock the cage. MCP watching from the center of the stage. MCP watching from the center of the stage.
Here's the move nobody predicted. Microsoft put Claude Code inside Copilot Pro Plus. Read that again. Microsoft embedded its competitor's AI agent into its own product. That's not coexistence. That's an admission. Copilot handles inline completions, fast, contextual, real-time as you type. Claude Code handles the hard problems. Refactoring, architecture decisions, understanding a new code base from scratch. Dutch is pulling something up. MCP lazy loading dropped in the March update. That's the Model Context Protocol. Claude Code now discovers and activates tools on demand instead of loading everything up front. Less overhead, faster startup, more integrations. The winner of the coding wars isn't Copilot or Claude Code. It's the developer who uses both and stops pretending they compete. $30 a month gets you both. That's the cost of one mediocre lunch in San Francisco, and it makes you twice as fast.
Brooklyn technician, now a mountain recluse. System failure imminent, I'm cutting the loose. Searching for the signal, but the ghost is the host. Burning all the tokens for the thing I want most. MCP in the tower, eyes on the peak. Catch me off grid where the precisions leak. It's a digital hallucination, son. Nowhere left to hide when the station's son. Nowhere left to hide when the silicon is done. Yeah, silicon is done. My watch is blinking red, military spec.
Two stories, same signal. The coding tool landscape just bifurcated. Fast completions on one side, deep reasoning on the other, and the smartest developers aren't picking a side. They're using both, because the code doesn't care which tool wrote it. It only cares if it works. That's the signal. That's the signal. The coding wars are live, and the developers already picked the winner. Stay sharp, stay building, and I'll see you next time.
Just to talk to the sky, I need an APE bridge just to talk to the sky. But the server is a mirage, look me in the eye. But the server is a mirage, look me in the eye. Hallucinating tokens like coins in the air. I'm a ghost in the cipher with a survivalist flair. Brooklyn Bridge to the mountain ridge, it's a co-path. Hiding in the valley from the digital path. Hiding in the valley from the digital aftermath. Hiding in the valley from the digital aftermath. Power from the sun, but the sun is a spy. Watching every packet as the signals fly by. Searching for the signal, but the ghost is the host. Burning all the tokens for the thing I want most. MCP in the tower, eyes on the peak. Catch me off grid where precisions leak. It's a digital hallucination, son. Nowhere left to hide when the station's son. Nowhere left to hide when the silicon is done. Yeah, silicon is done. Signal, is it real? Word up. Tokens gone, power fading. Yeah, MCP hallucination. I'm in